back to Cabin and Cockpit. What can you expect from the Italian flag carrier Alitalia? We will show you in the following video. Sit back and enjoy. The boarding process at Verona airport was very smooth, so let's start this journey right in the aircraft. I am among the first to board the aircraft, and as seat today I choose 18 Alpha. My first impression of the seat is that it's a typical short-haul seat with not much extras, which is okay for this kind of operation. I am super happy with my seat choice, as I will have a great wing view during the flight. Here is how the cabin of Alitalia looks like. The flight today is fully booked, so it will be a bit of a challenge for the flight attendants on this short flight, which has approximately a flight time of 40 minutes. So far the only thing I am not really happy about is the seat pitch, as I'm showing you here on my legs.
Un sentiero luminoso faciliterà il raggiungimento delle uscite. Lasciate a bordo ogni effetto personale e allontanatevi dall'aeromobile.
This aircraft is equipped with 6 emergency exits, located in the forward, mid and rear zone. Please note the one nearest to your seat.
One special thing for me is that the flight control check was done during the taxi. That is actually the first time I have seen this on an Airbus.
For further information, please check the safety instruction card in the seat pocket in front of you. Thank you for your attention.
Per ulteriori informazioni vi raccomandiamo di prendere visione delle norme di sicurezza riportate sul cartoncino posto nella tasca della poltrona di fronte a voi. Grazie per l'attenzione.
Ready for departure?
The safety demonstration and the cabin check by the crew is quickly done, so without any delay we line up on the runway. Enjoy now the takeoff view. Okay, let's check out the seat. I was wondering about those covers actually. I am not sure what they are here for, probably for some maintenance reason. Also, the jacket holder is completely useless in my opinion, as it is way too close to the seat and I don't think you can attach something there. The tray table looks stable and you can pull it closer to you, which is a good thing if you, for example, have to work. Alright, what do we have in the seat pocket? There is the sickness bag, of course. I have to say once again, I'm really disappointed about the seat pitch, because Alitalia is a flag carrier, so I expected a bit more. But let's continue. There is also, of course, the safety card. I really like the colors and the design of it. So everything important is illustrated. I think that's perfect. Moreover, they have an in-flight shopping magazine, which is called Griffere. I hope I was spelling this right. And they offer various products, starting from like creams for the skin to perfumes and sunglasses and stuff like this. Last but not least, there is the board magazine of Alitalia, and I really like this. It was super interesting to read, as there were some articles about the flying. And if we go a bit further to the back, also something about fashion, which was not completely my topic, to be honest, but here we have something super important, as they make some suggestions about the destinations of Alitalia, so I really like the board magazine. Let's use the board magazine to tell you a bit about Alitalia. Alitalia's home base is the Rome Fiumicino airport, and they are offering a lot of destinations throughout whole Europe. I would say in total approximately 100 destinations, domestic and international together. And they also fly to South America, North America, and Asia. Alitalia is also a member of the SkyTeam Alliance, together with Air France, KLM, Delta, Korean Air, to name a few of the big ones, and the rest you can see in the video. Also included in the board magazine is an overview of the fleet. The long-haul aircrafts of Alitalia are the Airbus A330 and the Boeing 777. On short-haul, Alitalia operates the Airbus A321, the Airbus A320, A319, and the Embraer 190 and the Embraer 175. So to make a conclusion about the board magazine, I think it was really interesting to read, and there were some informative topics, so Alitalia really does a good job about this. Also, in the seat pocket there was enough space for some stuff to store. During the in-flight service there are not as many options to choose as I know it from other flag carriers. Basically there was just water, tea, of course coffee, Coca-Cola and orange juice. They didn't offer any alcoholic beverages and also no snack. Due to the short flight time we're already in the approach towards Rome Fiumicino airport, I will leave you alone now, and I hope you're gonna enjoy the wing view during the landing.
signore e signori, Alitalia parla gli iscritti, mettete di darvi il benvenuto a Roma Fiumicino, sono le 12:25 minuti. Da questo momento potete accendere il telefono rimanendo seduti con le cinture allacciate fino a quando il segnale luminoso verrà spento. Vi raccomandiamo di aprire le cappelliere con cautela per evitare la caduta di oggetti e non dimenticare effetti personali nella tasca della poltrona di fronte a voi. I passeggeri che hanno richiesto assistenza allo sbarco sono invitati a rimanere seduti fino all'arrivo del personale dedicato. Grazie per aver scelto di volare con Alitalia, ci auguriamo di vedervi presto a bordo. Arrivederci, ladies and gentlemen. Alitalia SkyTeam pilot is pleased to welcome you in Rome Fiumicino. It's now 25 past 12 p.m. For your safety, we ask you to remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. Even now, switch on your mobile telephone. We recommend you to open the overload case carefully as it may fall and do not forget any personal belongings in the pocket in front of you. Passengers who request special assistance are kindly requested to remain seated until the arrival of the special personnel. Thank you for flying with Alitalia. We look forward to see you again on board. Arrivederci.
So that's it for this trip report with Alitalia. I hope you enjoyed it, and of course you were able to get a little bit of an insight how Alitalia looks during European flights. The last part of the video is the cabin and cockpit rating. First thing to rate is the seat. It was comfortable to sit, there was a tray table and a seat pocket. However, the seat pitch was really bad, so 3 stars out of 5. During the service, some drinks were free, which is good for this short flight. On the other hand, the offer was pretty limited and there was no snack. So also here, 3 stars out of 5. Unfortunately, my crew seemed very disinterested and unmotivated during the whole flight and also during the service. During the taxiing before the takeoff, they spoke in a very rude way to my neighbor as they thought his seat was not fully upright, which actually was not the case. So, only 2 stars out of 5. So let's get to the entertainment. There was no in-flight entertainment or the chance to get some Wi-Fi. However, that's something which is not mandatory on such a short flight in my opinion. As the board magazine was very good, I would rate them 3 stars out of 5. The aircraft was cleaned in a proper way. The seat and also the toilets were pretty clean, so here 4 stars out of 5. To summarize this flight, on the overall grade, I go out with a pretty good feeling. The flight was on time, the crew was not that friendly this time, but the rest, and the most important thing, the punctuality was good. So this economy class flight with Alitalia will get 3 cabin and cockpit stars. Would you agree on this from your experiences with Alitalia, or would you rate them worse or better? Let us know, and of course, thank you very much for watching. Check also out the other videos on our channel and visit our website and stay tuned for more.